Welcome to Wheels Garage. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Rolls-Royce, a luxury masterpiece that blends timeless elegance with cutting-edge technology. This year, Rolls-Royce continues to set the bar higher in the automotive world, offering a ride that's not just about getting from point A to point B, but about experiencing the art of driving. Let's take a closer look at this iconic vehicle. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Rolls-Royce is the epitome of luxury. The sleek, aerodynamic design features signature elements that Rolls-Royce is known for, like the Spirit of Ecstasy, gracefully perched at the front. The car's grille, large and imposing, maintains that unmistakable presence on the road, while the body is sculpted to perfection, giving it an elegant, yet commanding appearance. The paint options are nothing short of spectacular, with a wide range of bespoke finishes that allow owners to express their unique style. Whether it's the deep gloss or matte options, each coat gleams under the light, accentuating the car's refined lines. Moving on to performance, the 2025 Rolls-Royce is equipped with a powerful V12 engine that produces a staggering amount of horsepower. It's designed for effortless cruising and unparalleled refinement. The acceleration is smooth and responsive, with no jerks or lags, just pure, unadulterated power at your fingertips. And, of course, all this power is balanced with a smooth ride thanks to the brand's advanced air suspension system, which absorbs road imperfections like they don't even exist. Whether you're cruising down a winding country road or gliding down a highway, the driving experience is nothing short of serene, yet exhilarating when you push the pedal to the metal. Inside the cabin, Rolls-Royce continues to redefine luxury. The 2025 model offers an interior that's nothing short of breathtaking. Expect hand-stitched leather upholstery, plush carpeting, and beautiful wood veneers, all crafted by skilled artisans. The cabin is designed to cocoon you in comfort, with every material chosen for its quality and opulence. You'll also find state-of-the-art tech, including a custom infotainment system, high-end sound systems, and seamless connectivity that allows you to remain in control of your surroundings, even in the most lavish of settings. Safety features have always been a top priority, and the 2025 Rolls-Royce is no exception. The car comes equipped with the latest in advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. There's also a robust collision prevention system that works to protect both the driver and passengers, ensuring peace of mind no matter where the journey takes you. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Rolls-Royce is, as expected, on the premium side. Prices start at around $450,000, with customization options driving the price higher depending on the level of bespoke features you choose. However, for those seeking unparalleled luxury, performance, and prestige, it's an investment that's well worth every penny. In conclusion, the 2025 Rolls-Royce is a stunning combination of performance, elegance, and cutting-edge technology. From its breathtaking exterior to its sumptuous interior, every detail has been crafted to provide an extraordinary driving experience. If you're looking for a vehicle that stands out in every way, the 2025 Rolls-Royce is a choice that offers not just a car, but a lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more luxury car reviews here at Wheels Garage.